Thank you everyone for coming today. It's a special day for this flag. This flag was formed by my father as part of the original school on Vantage Street. Every Friday, Memorial Day, or 4th of July, starting in the 1920s. My dad's served in World War I. He came back in 1919. Shortly after that, the address flag in 5'5". He furled it for the last time in 1963, was the year he died. The flag stayed firm. We ended up, and I also always bring movies that from the aftermath. The flag was ended up with my mother's in the large rapids. I saw it several years ago as one artist and had fun. So I searched everywhere for folks in the store and local flags. And finally, from the University of Georgia, we found the flag resort in Branson, West Virginia. So she said, well, what do you want me to do? I can restore parts of this city? I said, no. Clean it, frame it, just like here, which we see here. This flag we ended up at the end of the wall there, we have a new flag flying there. This is the 48-star flag, obviously higher than 50. But today, we decided to have the presentation today. We'll do it again when we bring the federal law. But thank you all for coming. Thank you, gentlemen, so much.